你好，我是 Harris，我来帮你汇报一点韩语。Hello, my people. My name is Harris Ahmad, like you know. So I'm just talking with Chinese language, so I need to translate it to English language. So like I said now, if I say ni hao, that means ni hao, how you did. So Washi Harris, I'm Harris, you understand? Walai, I'm coming, Bani, to help you people. Hui Shou Chungwen, to help you how to speak in Chinese language or language. You understand? So Hanyun that means language. So in generally, if you want to calculate it all, you want to add it so you can talk say Chinese language. So ni hao wa shi Haris wa tintin lai ban ne ko sho chungwen. Hello guys, my name is Harisu Ahmad. So today I'm coming to teach you guys how to learning Chinese language to English language. So now, today we are lessons for this Chinese Hausa TV channel. We are going to teach you one of two things so that you don't know. So one of the sentence, how to make you the sentence about everything that consider you and him or me. So we are going to talk about it today. So like I said now, if I say Niren ta gender hand how Niren ta gender hand how. So I want you to understand this. Niren. So if you say ni, you understand? Ni that means it's you. Me and ni that means it's you. Wo that means it's me. Ta that means it's she or he. You understand? So like the way I talk now, I say ni Niren ta gender hand how. You understand? You are facing that you are facing is a really good, it's a really good person. So that means ni ren ta janda hen how, ni ren ta janda hen how. You are facing his very really good person. That means ni ren ta janda hen how. So like I say, if I need to turn the talk, the sentence into me. So how I gonna say it? Like I say ni, and then I come say wo, and then later I come say ta. So ni that is you, wo is me, ta is she or he. Understand? So wo ren ta gender hen how. Wo ren ta gender hen how. Do you know what I mean? I say wo ren ta gender hen how. That means my person is a really good person. My person is very real good person. Or she or he. If you see Chinese person say ta, is just the meaning of all man or woman. So ta that means is all. It's just they do the topic in all. So that means ta. If you hear ta, that means either you, either he or she. So that means ta. So Warren ta gender hen how. My facing is very real good facing. Taren gender hen how. Taren gender hen how. He is very good facing. He is very real good facing. That means ta. He is very real good facing. Like I say now, a Loban, ta the gun so for you, gender hen how. Loban, ta the gun fee for you, gender hen how. Or like say if I say gun for you, that means salary. Salary that means gun for you. So gun for you, Loban, ta da gunfiyo janda hen how. So my my boss, his salary is really good. Wo loban ta da gunfiyo janda hen how. Or you can say wo loban ta da gunfi janda hen how. All is the same thing. So my boss, his salary is very good. It's very really good salary. So that means wo loban ta da gunfi janda hen how. Wo aini, wo aini, wo aini. If you see someone tell you wo aini, that means I love you. Wo aini, wo shani, I want you. Wo shani, I want you. Wo aini, I want you. I love you. So all is the same thing, but it's not different pronunciations. It's not different pronunciation. Yes, it's not different meaning. So wo aini, I love you. Wo shani, I want you. So like I said now, ta zautan tila shi taron ho mai shan fin shui. Ta zautan chula shi taron ho mai shan fin shui. Yesterday he got to the market and he bought 2 bottles of water. That means ta zautan chula shi chan raho ta mai lian fin shui. Ta she or he go chula he go to the market. Ta, that means she or he. You understand? Zautan, that is yesterday. Chula shi chan, he is going to the market. You understand? Ranhu and mai and buy it. Lian fin shui, and he bought 2 bottles of water. Shui, that means water. You understand? Fin shui, fin, that is bottle. Fin, that is bottle. Shui, that is water. You understand? Like I say now, if I want call you now, if I say 我昨天打你的电话，如果打不通电话 that means what did I mean? 我昨天打你的电话，然后你的电话不说话。or 我昨天打你的电话，打不通说话。That means yesterday I called you, but the number is not going. That means 我昨天打你的电话，打不通电话。Yesterday I called you for phone and then I did not get you for phone. So that is all. So everybody, I beg before I close these lessons, so I want you guys to subscribe my YouTube channel and then like my YouTube channel, and then if you have any comments about if you ask us for this Chinese Hausa TV channel, so you can go ahead and then you can search us for this YouTube channel, and then you can search and Chinese Hausa TV channel, and then don't forget don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and then like our YouTube channel, and then put the comment so that you can ask us, we will give you the answer. So thank you so much.